Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print sticky notes inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to go ahead and click onto File and then find Print. So click onto Print. Then from here we can go ahead and see the print preview, but you can see that sticky note is not visible here, but that's okay. We can go ahead and change that. Now, in order to change this, we need to go down below of this box, click onto where it says Advanced Print Options, change that. So we want to go ahead and change this to, let's have a look if this one works. Nope, so not document. We want to go ahead and choose. Now, click onto whole document. That should be the one, I reckon. Yep, there it is there. So that's going to show your sticky notes. Now, once you click on print, those sticky notes are going to be printed on as well.